In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Asana step by step. Asana is a powerful project management tool, and forms can be incredibly useful for gathering information efficiently within your projects. Let's walk through the entire process, making it as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to the Asana website by typing www.asana.com into your browser. Here, you'll see the option to log in if you already have an account. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, just click on Get Started or Try for free to set up your account and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in and at your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the specific project where you want the form to be created. If you already have a project in mind, click on it to open it. For those who haven't set up a project yet, that's perfectly okay. Simply click the plus button or select Create New Project to initiate a new project. After you've entered your project, take a look at the top right of the project header. You'll find a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open the customization menu, and here you want to look for the Forms section. Within the Forms area, click on plus New Form. This will bring you directly to Asana's Form Builder, where you can start crafting your form. Now it's time to add form fields. Asana offers several types of fields to suit your needs. For example, you can add text fields for open-ended questions, drop-downs for selecting from predefined options, checkboxes for straightforward yes or no questions, and even date pickers if a specific date is required. To get started, click on Add Field, and from there you can select and customize the type of field you need. For each field that you add, additional options let you customize its label, decide if it should be required, and adjust other settings to meet your particular requirements. As you continue to build, you can also customize the appearance of your form. This includes rearranging the fields to your desired order by simply dragging and dropping them. Don't forget to add a description for the form itself. This part is crucial as it offers context to users about the form's purpose. Finally, double check your fields to ensure each one is set up to collect the specific information you need. It's important that every field aligns with your goals for the form, ensuring you gather all necessary details from your respondents. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a form in Asana. Remember, using forms can significantly streamline the way you collect information, making your workflow more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you integrate forms into your Asana projects. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.